All right, so special thanks to this company who sent us their sunset lamp, colorful sunset lamp to light up your life. I'm gonna put this in my daughter's room and I'll show you what it looks like at the end of this video. Nothing here, nothing here. Home decor, fantastic visual experience you can create. Just a little photo of it right here. 16 colors RGB, and it's powered with USB, high light efficiency, angle adjustable, soft light without flicker, low energy consumption. And then here, for you to create up to 16 scenes. So, like, I love the green, I love the orange there. But let's open it up and then I'll show you exactly what it looks like on the wall. I'll put it on PC where it's plugged in with power and we'll be good to go. All right, so include everything. That's it for the box. So we have a little information. There's even an app you can download to use with this, so that's pretty awesome. You have your 2 AA batteries for your remote here. Of course, you know, your AA batteries go down in there, and then this is the actual light. So this is all bendable and turnable, and then it's got a nice base where it'll sit. And then here is just a simple on-off switch with a USB cable, no power brick or nothing. So I'm gonna take this into my daughter's room, plug it into her PC, and kind of face it on the wall to try to give it one of these kind of effects and show you what it looks like. And so there is essentially what it would look like on your wall. That's the scene that I chose. Very, very nice.